Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make or customize a certificate in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google, and you can see here Canva. Just log in it. After login you can see here a search bar. Just click here and write certificate. After clicking this, you can see here many certificate templates. Just click one and start customizing by clicking this one, customize this template. You can see here your certificate. You can edit every portion you want. Like if you want to edit this one, just double click and backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed, and write your name, Imran Hossain. Okay, you can see here course completion certificate. This is awarded to this name. You can edit this name, and let's zoom it first. Click Ctrl from your keyboard and up scroll from the mouse, it will be zoomed. Now you can see here for successfully completion edu strategy communication online, but you want to add another, so remove this by backspace and edit your things. For successfully completing digital marketing course online. Okay guys, after that you can see here the signature portion. You can add your signature by going uploads, upload files, and upload from your computer, or you can draw your signature by clicking on draw. Choose a pen, then write your signature here. Okay, you can write this too, but this is not a good choice. Best is you have to upload it from your computer and fit it here. Okay guys, or you can do these things after making your whole project done. Just print it out and scan and put your signature here, then scan it. Okay, so this will be good for you. So after completing your work, how you can download it? Go to share button. You can see here download option. Click on download. After clicking on download, it will be downloaded in your computer. Or you can go to if you want to share this with email, you can see here people with access. You have to go here and you have to make anyone with the link, and you have to write here the email address you want to share with @gmail.com. After putting email address, click on send. After clicking send, this work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so guys, basically this is how you can make or customize a certificate in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.